Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to make YouTube thumbnail. So let's start quick and easy tutorial for how to make a YouTube thumbnail from your Android phone. First, go to Play Store and download Pixel Lab. I have already downloaded, so I'll open it directly. Now I'll slide my screen so it will be easy to see. To start, first you have to go to those three dots up on the right corner of screen. Now click image size. We are making YouTube thumbnail, so let's change size to YouTube thumbnail. It's done. You can change the background, or you can even change the color of background. Let's see how to change the background of our choice. We can see gradient. Click plus button. We can change the background light freely. Any color we want, which part to highlight and more. Or just choose simple color of your choice. I don't want any for now. I'm okay with the default background. Let's start by text. Go to edit. Now I'll type how to create and done. Can be dragged any corner you want. Let's change the font. I'll choose this one, fingerprint regular. Okay. Curve it with 30%. Now stroke. Firstly, enable it. You can choose for gradient or just simple color. Leave as it is and just increase its width. Now shadow, enable pink color. For next text, go to A button. And start typing thumbnail. Done. Dragging to adjust its place. Now size, making it big so it gets noticed on screen. All the process are similar, like changing the font you want, enabling the stroke with its outer glow, coloring this word thumbnail, Similar to for, we can drag it with those buttons also, or freely by fingers also. Let's put this word simple as it is with just stroke done. Now comes YouTube. I want to make it look attractive and noticeable, so I'll change its size. Font. Now comes stroke. And shadow. Those were the text part. Now you can even put your own photo or some pics you want from your gallery. I'll pick this one. We can adjust its size. Just simply drag from the right corner, making it small or big. I don't want its white background. I'll merge with my default background. So for that, just click erase color. It erases the background only. I want to highlight this lady, so stroke, increasing the width to 5 and done. Let's define the image with shadow around it. Now we can put stickers also. I'll choose a bulb. Adjust the size. I want to increase its stroke and shadow to be white. Okay. I think I want to change this color of YouTube. I forgot in beginning, so changing it to the color yellow. Now it looks good. I'm done with thumbnail. So now let's export this image. Go to 3 dots and click export image. It will say to save it to the gallery, or even you can share it directly. It's the end here. Hope you learned something. Bye guys.